Good day, all you good folks. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the No Name Nationals. It's a YouTube content creators event held in Sikeston, Missouri in late September. Jeffers Raceway Park, I believe it's called, Skelton Dragstrip. It's a bunch of guys getting together with, common thoughts. We're pretty much all gearheads of one nature or another. And we all put out YouTube videos. Every channel has got to have at least 500 subscribers to participate. Everyone is welcome. You can register. Registration's going to start, I'm going to guess, somewhere between Thanksgiving and Christmas this year for the 2026 No Name Nationals. It's a bunch of guys, family get together with people you like, and we do some drag racing, okay? We check out each other's projects because there ain't two the same. We all have different thoughts on how to do things, and not a one of us is wrong. One of the things that is kind of a tradition in drag racing is a call out or a challenge. This year, I might be the first one to do a challenge video. I challenged Tanner. His channel is Vintage Adventures Drives. He's kind of a Mopar guy, but he's got Chevys, and yeah, he's a cool dude. He's got some good energy, got a good vibe about him. Young feller, but he's pretty cool. I challenge him. He's putting together, I believe it's a 72 or 73 Scamp, which is a little Plymouth, like a Dart, but not a Dart. Don't call it a Dart. And we intend to participate in the Triple Crown class, which is small block. Basically, they're going to be fairly stock, appearing cars, no power adders, no nitrous, no blowers, no turbos, carbureted. And there's rules. There should be. There's rules. And you can check them out on the American Hot Rod Association's webpage. Dallas Brown puts that up. He is the president. But back to what I was doing. Tanner, I'm going to call you out. I am going to challenge you. Your Scamp against the Mess 10. You've seen the Mess 10. I haven't seen the Scamp except a few videos. It'll be good. It'll be fun. Somebody's going to win. Somebody's going to lose. Is it going to be me losing or you? Time will tell. You're doing improvements over your times last year. I bet I can get this one a little better too. So anyhow, Tanner, the gauntlet is thrown. You have been challenged this coming September, 2026. No Name Nationals. Bring it. We'll see just what happens. You better get some time in. I better get some time in. Get some practice. We'll just have to see how this all ends up. And to all you good folks, do a Google search. Do a YouTube search. No Name Nationals. You can see what this is about. There's, it's just camaraderie, community. It's a good time. If you feel that this is something you'd like to see, come on down. Spectators are welcomed and encouraged. Mosey around the pits, talk to people, mingle, see something you like, see some different ideas you've never tried. Talk to these guys. If there's nothing else, we all can shoot the bull pretty hard. So please, check it out. No Name Nationals. September 2026. I believe this is the 5th annual. Bring it on down. And hey, thanks for watching.